Shop Talk. We're looking at a Husqvarna 372 XP. This one's had some modifications done to it, and it will be disabled at the end of the video, sold for parts. It has had the big block put into it, and that big block has been decked and ported. We'll look at some of the features it has. Kill switch on the left, chokes on the right. Operator presence lever, won't throttle up unless your hand's in place. Great safety feature. Side load on your gas and oil reservoirs. Working chain brake. That's a 24-inch professional bar. It's a used bar. It is a sprocket nose, and that is a 3/8 pitch skip sequence chisel bit chain. Two large falling spikes. Dual ported muffler. Chain tensioner. Loosen the two bar nuts up and right on the side your tensioner. Heavy duty filter system. And we'll disable this saw. And that's what you'll receive, a non-running 372 XP big block that is ported.